Okay, this video is about exponential distribution. In this distribution, a continuous random variable x is said to follow an exponential distribution with the parameters lambda if its probability density function is given by this. So we shall write x follow exponential distribution here. It models time between occurrences, for example, between phone calls, customer arrivals, battery lifetime. Since it's a continuous distribution, so the function here should be the cumulative distribution function, which is this. Okay, let's see how to use the exponential distribution to solve the questions in Excel. The question is from your lecture slides. If you haven't read it before, you should pause this video and read it first. The question here is use the exponential distribution to find the probability that next car will not arrive within half a minute. Then we let x be in minutes, and it's the inter-arrival time between two cars. So the lambda should be 360 divided by 60 equals 6. Since it's the probability that next car will not arrive within half a minute, if we write it in formula, it should be the x bigger than 0.5. So we need to find the probability of x bigger than 0.5. But Excel can only solve Excel can only get the result of x smaller than some numbers. So we need to find the probability of x smaller than 0.5. Then press equal. And type exponential formula here. The x is 0.5. And lambda is 6. Since it's a cumulative result, so we press 1 here and press enter. Then we can get the result. But remember, the result is the probability of x smaller than 0.5, so we need to also use 1 minus this result and press enter. And that's the final result of this answer. Thank you.